Let me know if this sounds familiar. You're finally ready to get started on your project, but first, you have to find the right map to tell your design story. So you search your city's GIS portal, but it's a mess. You find a PDF, but you can't import it. You try to use a satellite image from Google Maps, but it's flat and distorted. So you spend hours drawing, and let's be honest, sometimes guessing contours, modeling building height maps, and adding boundary lines and street data manually, only to find out you've made one mistake in that one area is just not worth it. I'm here to tell you that doesn't need to be the case. You could go from a blank file to this, a fully accurate, 3D data-rich site model in less than 1 minute. In this video, I'm not just going to show you where to find professional-grade site maps for free. I'm going to show you the exact workflow to bring that topography, those roads, and even 3D buildings directly into software like Revit so you can start designing right away. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is go to maps.equatorstudios.com and search the location you're interested in. Once you zoom in on the area you want included, you can choose the data you want from the panel on the left. All you need to do is select it and start generating. And once it's done loading, you will get the map you're looking for overlaid on top of the areas you selected. It can serve as a model for 3D printing, a CNC mesh, or land and building elevations for analysis, or as a point cloud as a base for your design. For my project, I need contours for a residential project I'm working on, so I'll go to the Contours panel. Adjust the area and boundary dimensions of the site I need, select the dataset, and finally generate the contours. Once generated, I can click on the download button, and now I can choose from the multiple file formats available here. The file format I need is not here, so I will do back and check on the site limits download, and here it is, CSV. I will select it and start downloading. Once the file is downloaded, you can open your CAD software and make use of the file. For this video, I'll use Revit. To import the file into Revit, go to the Massing and Site panel, and click on the Create from Import drop-down, then Specify Points file. On the new pop-up window, select the file you've just downloaded and click Open. Revit is going to ask you to choose the format, so select the one you are currently working with. For me, I am working in millimeters, so I'll choose that. And here it is, perfectly placed contours. Let's convert these lines into a topography, aka models. For this, go back to the Massing and Site tab and select Topography. And from the Create from Import drop-down, choose Select Import Instance. Then select the contour and click OK. The lines will be converted into a topography model you can use. To change the material, go to the Properties panel and select where it says by category and choose the material you want. If the material is not visible, change the graphics to realistic. Now that you have the topography, you can adjust it to make it fit your project better. One thing you can do is cut out the earth that's inside the building's parameters. To do so, select the topography and go to the Massing and Site tab and select the Building Pad tool. With the tool, one by one select the exterior face of the building parameter and click the check mark. All the mass inside the parameter will be leveled to the building floor. And if you need to change its boundaries, all you need to do is select the pad and adjust its boundary line. What if you want to change the form of the topography? Then you can select it and click Edit Surface to reveal the points that make up the model. To see them better, switch to Hidden Line Graphics. Then select the points and adjust their elevation in the Properties panel. Do this until you are satisfied with the form of the surface and all the masses move to the right areas. Sometimes the topography pad links to the first surface you picked, so when you work on levels above it, a hole appears. This can easily be fixed by selecting the pad, then Edit, then from the Set drop-down, Set Work Plane, and selecting the floor you're working on. Once satisfied, you can add elements like retaining walls, landscaping, and more. Just make use of every step to adjust and update the topography to the new landscape. And that's it. That is how you source any map for your project and add it to your project. Stay till the end of this video if you want to see how the house turned out. If not, let me know if you want me to make another video on that website showing you all the data you can pull from it. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something and subscribe to learn more. Now enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like the video if you learned something and subscribe to learn more.